Hello Andy, Andarki Namaskaram. Hi everyone. Okay, audience ki chala energy undi already. I think 14 e energy kuda theater loki team ki kavali. So first let's talk about the main thing. 14 January you have to watch Na Samiranga. Deal na? Pakka deal? Okay, now we can move on. So Na Samiranga I think chala special film undi because chala pedda artists, chala pedda technicians ki ee film we have made with a lot of heart and hard work. My character Kumari ki actually it's a very sweet love story with of course Bhaskar Raj Tarun. So I am very very excited. I think story, song, cinematography, 14th you all should watch. But ippudu na actually team ki chala, I need to say thank you. So 2 minutes for that. Of course, first, who got me on board, Master, Vijay Master. Already, Melaga Melaga, Uvada Pellana, already chala, hit song ayindi. But ippudu Master direct chestanu. So I was like, of course I'm going to be a part of it. To get a third hat trick with him. And then coming to my producers, thank you so much for, being so supportive. And of course, what do I say about, Kiravani Garu? I've always been such a fan. I think you saw me when I started my career, right? And I'm meeting you after so many years and you've made the entire country so proud. And I'm such a huge fan of you. And the music is fabulous. It's amazing. So thank you so much for that. My entire team, Ashika, Mirna, Alari Naresh, Raj Tarun, all the senior actors, I think, they like my who's playing my dad, like he's so cool. Like entire team, we had so much fun shooting the entire project. Chala hard work undi and chala time takuva undi shoot kosam, but still ee team spirit chala chala high lo undi, and that you will see in the theaters on 14. And last but not the least, of course, the king, Nagarjuna Sir Garu. I have been such a fan. Like when Master told me that, okay, you're in the film, I was like, yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing the film. And on set, everyone knows Nagarjuna Sir Garu chala pedda star, chala king star. But set lo every day, me first time school ki vastunanu na e energy undi. Na chala experience unda, chala already industry lo na experience unda, e energy even little bit was not there. It was like he was an excited child on set all the time to be doing the best. And I think naku chala help chesaru, chala comfort icharu. So thank you so much for being so amazing. And yes, na chala excited undi already na previous films so chala premicharu. So please Na Samiranga ki kuda chala premichi. And 14th January Sankranti, huge festival and even huge day for all of us. So chala support cheyandi and we will keep entertaining you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you.
రామాయణం, మహాభారతం, భగవద్గీత, వేదిక్ సైన్స్, ఋగ్వేదం, యజుర్వేదం, అథర్వవేదం, 18 పురాణాలు, దశావతారాలు, దశమహావిద్యలు, వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్, ఇండియన్ ఇన్వెన్షన్స్, సీక్రెట్ ఆఫ్ గాడ్స్, మరెన్నో కోర్సులు నేర్చుకోవాలనుకుంటే మా indianvedicSchool.com వెబ్సైట్లో లాగిన్ అయి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఎటువంటి ఫీజు లేకుండా ఫ్రీ కోర్సులు కూడా మా వెబ్సైట్లో అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి. గూగుల్ ప్లే స్టోర్, యాప్ స్టోర్లో ఇండియన్ వేదిక్ స్కూల్ యాప్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.